Be long?
Part 2.
Alright. Now to resume. Told you I wasn't going to be long. There, a little more trash. I missed. Okay. Okay. I'm bored looking at that. Now I actually get to doing something. Guess it's cheap wood, so I might not want to. Let's try 7-1. Alright. Got some play in it, so I'm going to tighten that down till I make sure I got it lined up right.
Do you know what you're doing?
Actually, I don't really have any idea what I'm doing. I just try to make it look good. Honestly, all I'm doing is I'm just putting these things on here, like this. I'm guessing that's where they're supposed to go, I think. I'm pretty sure this is where these go, after all. And after all, it would seem that we got the wrong one since it doesn't look like the picture out of the box,
Ren, your automobile is slowly coming together.
Yep.
Hey, perfect.
Okay.
You know you're going to have to get him a blanket and a pillow and, cheese and all of this, right?
Yeah, we're going to be his chauffeur. King Ren.
We'll teach Joni how to pull the wagon.
Heck, I still want to see you try to put clothes on that cat.
Yeah, right.
Given what you did to that one collar that had the bell on it.
Well, you remember when we first got her, I only did that so I could find her wherever she was.
But then she had her own ideas about that.
She smooshed that bill.
Yep.
Aren't you going to put the other screw in the middle?
Not yet, because I might need some play there with that.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure I'm even supposed to do that yet. I'm not sure if I'm even supposed to do that.
Little box wooden wagon.
Yeah. Oh yeah, if you had a wagon growing up, put a comment in the bottom saying if you did or didn't. Just wondering. Okay. Alright.
And you're moving up in society, buddy.
Could you imagine trying to take a shower at St. Bernard in one of these?
Oh,
Him trying to
Lord.
fit in it.
This is for a chihuahua.
They wouldn't even fit in it. I could see you trying to push it or pull it. And there was a St. Bernard came by here yesterday that had his head hung out the window.
Yeah.
And slobber was just going everywhere. I mean, his head was like this big.
That's pretty good alignment right there. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's one of them companies that tries to send you exactly how much you need. Well, let's just hope we're not missing anything. Take a teacup chihuahua in one of these.
Yeah.
It would get lost. We'd never find it.
No. It would have absolutely looked cute in it, though, you know. No, couldn't you imagine little bugs in that? Surrounded by all this little pink fur.
Alright, there it is. Alright. Now. Okay. Alright.
You know, Nana needs one of those. That way, if she wants to go to the grocery store or something.
Yeah, that's what we're going to use it
Now
for.
what she needs is a zinger. That's what she needs. She needs a zinger. Well, I'm doing pretty good for somebody that has no idea what he's doing. But like I said, I just try to make it look good. And be as absolutely entertaining as possible while I'm doing it.
Trust me, you're always entertaining.
Okay. Date of manufacturing, December 2018. Okay. That's a really useful piece of information. Alright. And what's the point of that information?
I guess they won't let you know when it's made.
I guess. Alright. Okay. Now, what's the next thing I'm not supposed to do yet? Okay. Sure. All right. I guess I'll snug them down. Let's see here. That's 2. That's 2 more for the other side. All right. 3 for that side. Now 3 more for that side. That way you can use all these screws up. That way they're not in my way. All right. Huh. Yeah, I might have to go get that. Shouldn't take me long to go get that. Alright, there's that one. I guess that's good enough. Okay.
End of part 2.